Hello everyone, this is Group 5. We are presenting our app which we have developed as part of the ASE curriculum course. Uh, Based on the paper we read from CDC website, we have developed an health scope app which gives us three different features to record and record diabetes, record hypertension and check for your overweight and underweight. So let's talk about the software architecture of the product. Software architecture is a pretty simple three-tier architecture. First is the client. Client is fully developed as an hybrid app using Ionic frameworks. And one very unique feature about our product is that we have used some visualizations API. Second tier is the server, which is hosted on a cloud-based application Bluemix. We have used Java annotation classes for interacting with client and the database layer. The database layer is the third layer, and we have used the Mongo, which is another cloud-based services. So let's start the demo of our product. If I try to log in and put the username, and say, so it says that check your connection because we don't have any network right now. The phone is not connected to the internet. So it prompts us to connect to the internet first. So let's again restart the demo and we should start with sign up now. So we have all the basic features which the app has, and we have implemented a Cordova camera hardware plugin so that we can take the user's profile pic and it can be stored on the server. Now I will log into the features. So I am already using an existing username and password to log into app. So this brings us to the first page of our app. This is the home page, and from here we can navigate to three different features. One is diabetes, overweight, hypertension. User has the basic facility to change his or her password. So let's start with diabetes. So this is the diabetes checkup page. This UI will display you the last three detections which were detected by the device by the user, and this specific UI, the circle UI, will give you the detected feature which the user will input. So let's try to input something. The fasting glucose will be, let's say, 120. 2-hour glucose, let's say 100, and we'll say detect. So it says that you have an impaired fasting glycemia glucose based on the calculation on the server side. This is the data we are fetching from the server side. All right. So now I will navigate to the different features of diabetes checkup. We have checkup, which we already demonstrated, suggestions based on the diet you select. Let's say we can create our own plate, and this is something which we have taken from the American Diabetes Association. Let's say if I want to eat proteins and if I want to eat eggs, so it will just give us a tip saying that egg is so and so and it contains protein, and so on and so forth. It also talks about history feature, so we can probably select the time period for which we need to determine the history of our diabetes. So I am selecting a 1 month period here, and I should be getting a chart. Yeah, so it says that we have the diabetes increased from the previous detection till the current detection, so we have to work on that. Also we have features, probably we can download this particular graph and save it on your hard drive, desktop, whatever. So let's go to hypertension now. Hypertension is also pretty much similar to diabetes detection. So what we need to do is we just need to input two different hypertension values, which is SBP and DBP, and then we will be getting the result whether you have a hypertension or not. So let's try with some arbitrary values. It says result is normal, and probably that was the vibration feature which probably might be captured in this video. So that is another Cordova hardware plugin which we have installed in our application. So it says that if you have SBP 56 and DBP 56, the result will be normal. Let's see what suggestions we have for hypertension. So for hypertension, we have what we have done. We have created a slideshow which says what amount of food, what amount of diet we should have, and user can navigate using the navigating arrows. and it automatically navigates as well. Just for the sake of this demo, the navigation is slow. We can also go for the history. The history is pretty slow because we have used chart JS visualization. So in we have also used HighChat and D3, which are quite faster than this. So user can determine at 1215 DBP and SBP were 56 and 56. So on and so forth. We can detect the hypertension history. So let's go and see what we have. All right. So what we have done in order to understand what hypertension is, we have also put in some videos wherein the experts will tell you what is hypertension and or tips to cure hypertension. For example, if I play a specific video, so yeah, we can see the video is being played or whatever.
White blood cells are drawn to the damaged
So this is how we can see some tips about hypertension and how to cure hypertension straight from the experts. This comes to the last feature of our product, which is overweight. So user will input gender, height and weight. Detection will be probably it will be underweight, it will be normal, overweight or obese based on the BMI, which will be calculated on the server, and the server will be returning the values. So let's see how it goes. I'll input some arbitrary values. Let's say 150 pounds. I am going to put like 5 feet 5 inch, 6 inch. Oops. Okay, let's go for checkup. It says that my BMI is 24.21. It's normal, and based on this calculation of BMI, we have suggestions will be like daily calories consumption will be returned depending upon the user's diagnosis. If the user has normal weight maintaining calories will be returned. If the user is underweight or overweight, weight losing or gaining calories will be displayed. So let's see what other features we have for overweight. It says history features. So we can see the timeline here. Timeline says that the last checkup was 130 pounds, and this checkup, the current checkup, was 150 pounds, and I have gained like 20 pounds. So it is a timeline showing weight and losses. Similarly, we have, and this is how the graph is rendered. So this is all about our application. Thank you.